So this is Marco. Welcome back to Everything House. So today we are doing some trim in this home. There was some flood damage here, got all the way down to studs, and now we're toward the last parts of the project. So just something that came to mind that I haven't really heard other YouTubers in this genre talk about, and that's making sure that your tools are set up properly, that they're calibrated properly. What does that mean, right? So for instance, in this table saw, you have a blade, okay, that's a 1/16 of an inch thick, okay? So if I come over here to my setting, okay, which is here, it's set to 1 inch, right? So that means I should get a 1 inch piece of 1 inch cut, right? But if I bring you over to the saw, okay, how this is calibrated here are these two screws, okay? So I was set to 1 inch. But if I go here and actually look at the blade from the fence, we have a 1/16 of an inch difference. You see that? And that's because that's the thickness of the blade. You got me? So that means on this particular saw, when it was calibrated, they calibrated this for that 1 inch to include the saw width, the blade width rather. And that's called a kerf. So it's something you need to allot for, or just recalibrate your saw, so this way you can make it easier on yourself. So you would just undo these two screws, move this over a little bit to reflect what the actual blade is showing, and you'll be good to go. So just something to think about is why if I didn't take note of that and I'm making cuts, they're going to keep being smaller than what I actually want. Even though it says here 1 inch, they're actually going to be 15/16. All right. So just a little tip. Have a good day, and any tips, comments, questions, hit me up in the comments. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, have fun out there.